Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marcus from Marcus Brown Performance, also the owner of Dad Strength. Make sure you get your premium headwear at officialdadstrength.com, where strength is rooted in fatherhood. So I'm a busy parent myself. I have teaching, I have coaching, and obviously I have to train myself as well. And of course, the most important one, be a parent. And so with that being said, it makes it hard to get my training in because of everything else I have to do during the day. Now, I'm fortunate enough to have a coach that programs for me. However, if you do not have a coach, I'm going to teach you how to program for yourself to ensure that your program is efficient and also understanding of your busy schedule as a parent. So the first thing I would tell you is to, number one, ensure that your accessories are multi-purposed. So what I mean by that is, with your squat, bench, and deadlift, you're obviously going to have to hit those, right? That is unavoidable, especially as a powerlifter. But when it comes to your accessories, you want to make sure that they hit multiple muscle groups as well to ensure that you're getting an efficient workout in where you're hitting all your muscle groups and getting out of the gym as fast as possible. Especially when you have a kid, you need to go to their different dance recitals, the different sports activities, picking them up from school. You need to make sure that your time is not wasted, right? So doing exercises that are hyper specific on one muscle can sometimes be inefficient for you and doesn't make sense for your programming. So just ensure that you figure out some exercises. Some examples of that could be like RDLs, RFEs or Bulgarian squats. Just a couple examples that you may want to add into your program. Lat pull down is another one too. Next, I would definitely say is RPE is going to be one of your best friends. You are not going to be able to train at the intensity at times that somebody else that may not have your schedule will have, right? So you have to understand that it's okay to drop the intensity. If you're tired and you're not able to perform at a high level, then you have to do that. You have to say, hey, today is not an RPE 9 day, maybe it is an 8. And so instead of hitting 90%, maybe you hit 85 or 80, right? So that is something that is okay to do, and it does not make you work less hard. It is something that's actually beneficial to you to ensure that your long-term goals are being hit. And I would say the last thing that you want to do is understand that it's okay to adjust your training schedule. I do not train on the same days every week, every single week, right? I usually train 4 days a week, usually Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But there are days where I don't train on a certain day. Case in point, Memorial Day, I totally planned to train that day. I said I was gonna train and then take my son to the fair. But what I found out was his friends were going to the fair earlier, so I went to the fair earlier and we ended up staying there the entire day. So now I had to just adjust my training schedule to, instead of training on that Monday, I'm training Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as well as Saturday now. So it's not a big deal. You can definitely adjust that because you have to. You can't think of training as so specific to like how everybody else does it, because you have a totally different responsibility that nobody else has other than parents, which is obviously your children. So just be okay with that, and it's not going to affect your training. I won a state championship in Massachusetts in the USAPL for my my last powerlifting meet. So, and I had to change my schedule all the time. So be okay with that, and I think you'll be fine. But let me know if this helps you. Thanks for watching the video. I do these videos every Thursday, so make sure you tune in at 12 p.m. every Thursday. Like I said, thanks for watching. And also go to officialdadstrength.com. Go get your premium headwear today, right? Get it before Father's Day. But like I said, thanks for watching. Peace.